So I made some keto pumpkin spice muffins loosely based on this recipe with 5 eggs and mix them up. A splash of vanilla, about half of the can of pumpkin. Plop it in there. Redmond's real salt, of course. Some keto chow, pumpkin spice caramel. A fat scoop of baking powder. I don't measure anything, as you can tell. And then mix it up and mix it up. And I forgot to put some cinnamon in there, which you'll see. I added a scoop of that, and then I went back and added cinnamon to the rest and filled the cups the rest of the way. Put them in the oven on about 350 for about 10-15 minutes, and here's how they came out. And they actually came out pretty good, being loosely based on a recipe. You can go find the Ketonist on Facebook and find the actual recipe, or you can pause it at the beginning of the video if you want to see her actual recipe. But they came out pretty good. If you do the math, you can tell I already ate one before I took that video. And then here's another one, and it looks pretty bready.